Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just want to squeeze in a short-term update because Bitcoin is indeed pushing higher in that C wave we've had on the chart. As it seems, we have reached that trend line that we also had on the chart, and price seems to react to it a little bit, but there is no major rejection. So I would give it a chance to push higher now in this C wave, and we want to talk about the microstructure, the micro targets in the C wave. Now, bigger picture, just very, very briefly, we need to understand that at the moment, another low is still expected because, let's say, traditional Elliott Wave typically would emphasize, I don't want to say the need, but the likelihood of another low. Because so far, off the B wave high that was made in July, we only had 3 waves down. Yeah, only 3. So typically you see in a C wave to the downside, which is the common last wave of a correction, 5 waves. So the assumption is that the current move up is a 4th wave or sideways movement, move up today. Yeah, it's a bit friendly today, nothing major, but that it's a 4th wave. And then one more low could be that 5th wave to around about 24K. I talked about that in the previous video. The low could be in. I wouldn't be surprised if we break resistance, yeah, and that if the low is already in. As explained many, many times, after 3 waves, especially if you have a flush like that, sometimes historically crypto has formed a low. It would not be an ABC structure, then it would be a WXY. So we always need to know that. However, I cannot just make that assumption. I can prepare for it, I can track it, but I need evidence in that price forms a first 5-wave move to the upside. And that 5-wave move to the upside would need to be above 27.7K. So what we're currently tracking in this 4th wave, which should lead to another low, is an ABC structure. A wave, B wave, C wave. But if it's doing not only ABC, but 1, 2, 3, until here everything is going to be the same, then wave 4 and wave 5. Then we have 5 waves up. If that goes above resistance, I would say we have a lasting low in place. Then we can look for a 3-wave pullback, get in, trade on the long side. Yeah, very important. So if, however, it's only doing the 3 waves up, of which the C wave itself is a 5-wave move, and then breaks below support, yeah, we've got our wave 5. So this would be the primary scenario, that we just do this ABC structure at the moment. So short term, we are focusing on higher because price has already made a higher low and a higher high. We've had that on the chart since yesterday, since it made that low. And now the micro support is the 50% retracement level at around about 26,190. Against that level, price can push higher. Price broke above the horizontal resistance level that I indicated in the last video as confirmation level that the C wave is running. And the next target for the bulls is going to be to break above that descending trend line and then reach 3rd wave target. What would be 3rd wave target? It is the 1.618 extension level. So that would be the length of the A wave. No, 1 second, that's wrong. It needs to be here. So length of the wave 1, go to the low of the wave 2, and then the 1.618 extension points us here to 27,130 roughly. That's the 1.618 extension. That is basically the 38.2 fib retracement. Perfect overlap. Yeah, that's one target. And there is a lot of confluence at that level. Also, if I take the length of the A wave, I go to the low of the B wave, we also have the 100% extension at that level. So there are 3 Fibonacci levels that point to round about 27,120, 27,120, 27,150. Very important level. If we break above that level, we could get to 27.7K. So these are the next targets. I just want to give you the micro support. Wanted to highlight to you that it looks like we're in the C wave. Condition is we're holding 26,190. If that level breaks, the wave 2 low is going to be important at 25,810. So yeah, but this is only short-term upside at the moment. As I said, we need to break above resistance in 5 waves. Only with those 5 waves we can work, so that we can work on a new uptrend, okay? Until then, this rally, which is a bit more impressive on the ETH chart, is just considered a C wave. Yeah, so these are the conditions that need to be fulfilled to push higher in the C wave. 3rd wave target was mentioned. As soon as we have the wave 3 in, I will give you support for the wave 4 and then track wave 5 target. But I wouldn't be surprised if it ends in the, let's say, the upper half of the resistance box. So if on the other hand we break below today's low at 25,800, then I think we have confirmation that we're already breaking down in the fifth wave. And target then would be, the first target would be 24K. So it's really just a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.